Hey guys, it's Bruce. Welcome to ConvoCourses podcast, and we're going to be talking today about application security. So we're going to wait a couple minutes here, bring some more people in. Application security. So the reason why I'm going to talk about this is that I've been on a journey to get another job, and looks like I got an interview. So I decided that I'm going to go ahead and talk about what that job most likely will be about. Haven't read the job description. It's going to be about application security, which is something I've done on and off over the years. Application security, not my biggest, not the thing I do the most, but every now and then it comes up. And so this next job that I'm going to interview for real soon it's mostly application security. So that's what we're going to talk about today. I'm just going to break down some of the highlights and all the main things that we should know about it, and some of my experience with it here and there, and some things I don't really have experience with or have very, very little exposure to. All right, let me get started here. I'm just going to go ahead and start with the slide deck. There we go. All right, we're on Facebook, we're on LinkedIn, we're on YouTube, and we're on TikTok. I'm going to keep it high level and just try to give you like the main idea of what this is all about. Application security. So let's go ahead and if you want, the link is in description, where you can follow along with me. I've published all of the slides, everything you see here. You see it. If you want to join more of a conversation about all things GRC, cybersecurity, or maybe you happen to be in this industry and trying to level up, trying to make a lateral change, something you want to get into, then I've been doing this for 20 years, and I give out free information all throughout the week. So got people contacting me about just basic advice, like asking, basic things about how to get in this field or what to do about certain things. When I have time, I'll go ahead and help people out. So why do I do it? I mean, I'm trying to help people out as much as possible. It's hard enough as is. So I'm always just trying to help out where I can. And if you want to go a little bit deeper, I do have books. I've got courses. I've got stuff you can purchase that took me more time to develop, that obviously, I have to charge for it. But most 99% of the stuff I do is for free. If you follow me on YouTube, on TikTok, on, all these different platforms, hell, even you follow me, sometimes I even give out free books. I'll release it for free for some time, or courses. I'll release those for free for sometimes. I got one coming out real soon called GRC Roadmap, where I'm going to be breaking down the NIST CSF 2.0 to show you how GRC is done in great detail. That one, I'm the first part I'm going to be releasing for free if you happen to follow me. So if you're interested in that, that's another one that you can join.